Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are fine and doing well. Are you new to crochet or looking to improve your skills, whether you are beginners or an experienced crafter? These crochet tips and tricks will help you create beautiful and polished projects with ease. The foundation of a great crochet piece starts with the right material. Beginners should start with medium weight yarn, and a hook size that matches cotton yarn is great for structured projects, while acrylic or wool is perfect for warm, soft creation. Keeping a consistent tension is key to neat and even stitches. If your stitches are too tight, your work may be stiff. Too loose, it may be messy. Practice until you find a comfortable grip that works for you. Losing or adding stitches unintentionally can ruin a pattern. Use stitch marker for a complex design and always count at the end of each row to avoid mistakes. Before diving into advanced pattern, make sure you are comfortable with basic stitches like the chain, single crochet, double crochet and slip stitch. These are the building blocks of every crochet project. Crochet pattern can look confusing at first, but learning abbreviation and symbols will make your project easier. Start with simple pattern and work your way up to more detailed designs. Blocking is an important step to shape and even out your finished project. Simply pin your crochet pieces to the desired shape, mist it with water and let it dry for a polished professional look. Crocheting takes time and mistakes happen, but that's part of the learning process. Enjoy each project, experiment with new